Well, dear students, now we are in the session 5 of unit 2nd. The topic for this session is job analysis, meaning and definition of job analysis. I am Dr. Sudarshan P. here before you to explain this topic. In the previous session, we studied about the various factors influencing human resource planning process. To estimate the human resource requirement of any organization for a certain period of time, we have to go for job analysis, which gives us some insight about the job specification and job description. So we have to analyze the job in terms of different criteria. Now we will look into the meaning of job analysis. Job analysis is a formal and detailed study of job. Formal and detailed study of job is called as job analysis. It refers to a scientific and systematic analysis. So scientific and systematic analysis of job in order to obtain all pertinent facts about the job. ಸೊ ಕೆಲಸದ ವಿಶ್ಲೇಷಣೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾರ್ಯ ವಿಶ್ಲೇಷಣೆ ಅಂತ. ಒಂದು ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಅಂಶಗಳು, ಆ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಯ ನೇಚರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಆ ಕಾರ್ಯದ ಟಾಸ್ಕಿನ ನೇಚರ್, ಇದನ್ನ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ವೈಜ್ಞಾನಿಕವಾಗಿ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಜಾಬಿನ ನೇಚರ್ ಏನು, ಅದನ್ನು ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಜಾಬ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಲಸದ ವಿಶ್ಲೇಷಣೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾರ್ಯ ವಿಶ್ಲೇಷಣೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಜಾಬ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಎ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ scientific and systematic analysis of job in order to get the pertinent information relating to that job. Job analysis is a systematic and detailed examination of jobs. It is the process of collecting information about a job, that is, the knowledge, the skill, and the experience needed to carry out a job effectively and efficiently. The job holder is supposed to possess job related knowledge usable to carry out that job easily. Again, it involves deciding or studying about the nature of job, time requirement to complete the job, and other criteria. In other words, job analysis refers to the anatomy of the job. It is a complete study of job, embodying every known and determinable factors, including the duties and responsibilities involved in its performance, the conditions under which the performance is carried on, the nature of the task, the qualities required in the worker, and such conditions of employment as pay over opportunities and privileges associated with that job. In nutshell, job analysis means the detailed or depth study about the job. Definition of job analysis. According to Edwin B. Blippo, Job analysis is the process of studying and collecting information relating to the operations and responsibility of a specific job. So this definition also says the same. Job analysis is the process of studying and collecting information relating to the operations and responsibility of a specific job. According to David A. D. Cinso and Stephen P. Robbins, job analysis is a systematic exploration of the activities within a job. So a job contains many activities or tasks, right? We have to, that analysis help us to explore all these possible activities related to that job. It is a basic technical procedure, one that is used to define the duties, responsibilities and accountabilities of a job. So according to Robinson, what he says that job analysis is helpful to define duties, responsibilities and accountabilities of a job, means of a job performer or job holder. Therefore, from the above definitions, it is clear that job analysis can be described as a process of collecting information or detailed information about a job or nature of job. ಒಂದು ಉದ್ಯೋಗದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಳವಾದ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಕಲೆ ಹಾಕುವಂಥದ್ದು ಮತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನು ವಿಶ್ಲೇಷಿಸಿ ಆ ಜಾಬಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಇರುವ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯಗಳು, ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಉತ್ತರದಾಯಿತ್ವದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿರ್ಧರಿಸುವ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಜಾಬ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀಬಹುದು. Job analysis provide the following information about a job. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಜಾಬ್ ವಿಶ್ಲೇಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಜಾಬಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. Under that, first one, nature of jobs required in a concern. What are the nature of jobs which are needed in the organization? Second one is nature of organizational structure. So that job analysis tells us to frame organizational structure or give some insight about the formulation of organizational structure or designing of organizational structure, whether line organization, staff organization, line and staff organization or matrix types of organization structure or project type of organization structure, right? Or functional organizational structure and so on. So decision of these types of organization structure is morely or largely depends on job analysis, or job analysis gives insight for the same. Here organization structure means the various positions in the organization and their respective relationship. Point number 3, type of people required to fit that structure. What are the qualifications or qualities or skills possessed by a candidate to fit that structure? That is also given by job analysis. Fourth one, the relationship of a job with other jobs in a concern. So that is one of the important relationship between the jobs or a job with other jobs in a concern. Job analysis gives information about the kind of qualification required for a particular job or what type of qualification that are required for discharging such a job. Next, it also provides provision of physical condition to support the activities of a concern. What are the physical setup which is needed to discharge that job? Is is provided by job analysis. Materials, equipments, and methods used in performing the job. What are the types of materials, methods, equipments are needed to discharge or perform the job? That information is also provided by job analysis. Job analysis contents or contents of job analysis. Job identification, that is its title including its code number. Significant characteristics of job, that is its location, physical setting, supervision, union, jurisdiction, hazards and discomforts associated with the job. This kind of characteristics are revealed in the job analysis. What the typical worker does, that information is also involved or contained in the job analysis. That is specific operation and task that make up an assignment. Their relative timing and importance, their simplicity, routine or complexity, the responsibility or safety of others for property, funds, confidence and trust. So this kind of information is contained in the job analysis. Then types of materials or which materials and equipments a worker uses: metals, plastic, grains, yarns, milling machines, punch presses and micrometers, and this kind of information will be available in a document called job analysis. How job is performed, nature of operation, lifting, handling, cleaning, washing, feeding, removing, drilling, driving, setting up, and many other matters relating to the job are stated in the document called job analysis, which is normally prepared by Human Resource Management. Required personnel attributes or features to do that particular job. What are the specific and general skills that are needed by the job holder, like experience, training, apprenticeship, physical strength, coordination, or dexterity, physical demands, mental capabilities, aptitudes, social skills, interpersonal skills, etc. are also contained in job analysis. So, job analysis is one of the basic document which provides the detailed information of the job to be carried out in an organization, and this particular document becomes the base for even human resource planning and all other personnel affairs in the organization. So you can expect a question for section B under this topic, that is explain the meaning and definition of job analysis and contents of job analysis or features of job analysis. Therefore, please go through these materials and try to understand and reproduce it in the examination. With this, I concluding this session. Thank you.